Hi, my name is Keil Zepernick. I'm a former professional basketball player, now stuntman and actor. These are some of the things that I've been in.
I want to fight you. Don't hurt my body! Oh!
So many snacks, so little time.
Working in film and TV can be typecast easy on your look and the things and some of your abilities. And I started to realize a number of years ago that I was starting to lose my hair. My hair is just receding and I have some balding in the back. It was a little bit of a joke just because I'm 6'10" and who's really going to see up there? But I can tell you what, the camera doesn't miss it. When I realized that I was starting to lose some roles because casting or director couldn't see me with a different look with my hair, and I'm losing jobs because of that, I realized I need to figure something else out. After about 5 or 6 different clinics that I went and had a consultation at, I ended up getting a hold of Jose at Hair Transplant of Orlanda. Jose showed me some great results, gave me some key information, was very upfront about everything. My wife and I talked about it and we said, this is where we want to go. So far we've been very happy with the process and I am extremely excited to move forward and to see what comes next. And hopefully what other job opportunities I'll be able to have now.